All right guys, right here I have this inflatable penguin polar bear skiing, and I think there's a Christmas tree on here too. This is gonna be pretty awesome here. I'm about to inflate this. First, I just wanna show you that it does come with these weights. So you just fill this up with water, really nice and easy, and then you just stick it inside here and just zip it up, and then I'm gonna inflate this and then we'll anchor it down and see what it looks like. All right guys, so this right here is the final product. Look how nice this looks. This actually comes in at 6 feet tall. That is huge. Honestly, it's like as tall as my windows in the back here. The Christmas tree on the back just gives it such a nice touch, and I just love how kid-friendly this looks. It just looks so happy and joyful. I love this. So this actually has a waterproof material, so if it's snowing, if you get a little bit of rain or weather, you don't have to worry about this being an issue. Because it's made with a polyester material, this actually has built-in LEDs as well, which just looks absolutely amazing in the dark. Now, when you blow this up, there is a blower in the back here. It takes about a minute to like a minute and 30 seconds to actually blow this up. So there's no on switch. As soon as you plug it in, it just starts going. Another thing that I do like about this is it has tie downs on the side. So you can see there's a latch right here and a rope, and you got stakes, plenty of those, and you can stake them on the bottom as well on each side. I did think that there should have been one more of these ropes on the other side, but I think if you stake down the bottom on each side, you should be fine without this having to tip over or anything like that. But just look at the smiling face on the penguin and the bear. It's just such a nice blow up for your house to bring some attention, bring that Christmas cheer, and just make your house look absolutely amazing and joyful during the Christmas season. If you're looking for an inflatable, I highly recommend this one. It's absolutely amazing. Really high quality, really durable. The colors look super vibrant, and I can't wait to have this out during the snow. This is gonna look absolutely amazing. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.